Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 1st of August 2014 market review. Due to power cuts in Pretoria, the newsletter will be due later during the course of the day, and it will be emailed to you and posted on Facebook. Looking at the Dow Jones, last night they actually fell from these levels of 16,880 points. They went down almost 317 points. They came down back to the red line here, closing on a level of 16,563 points, lost 1.8%. Now, looking at this, you will basically see that a lot of movement happened, and that had a big effect on the markets, definitely in the short term. Now, looking at the Bollinger Bands, this is the breakdown. Broke the bottom of the Bollinger Band on that support of 16,866, trading at this level here. Big sell-off. Currently the futures are a bit of positive. Today non-farm payrolls are due at 2:30 from the US markets, so we need to keep a close eye on that one. That's the data for the month, if jobs were created or not. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares. Now I've got a lot of lines on here, but looking at this closely, the cycle started to break down from the support here on the green line and the Bollinger Band. So the next low is about 46,200. Market did test at 46,222 points here. If it does break it, the next low will be back here at 45,818. We need to see at 8:30 how the top 40 shares will open and how the market will react on the US market's big downward movement. Looking at Shoprite. Now Shoprite currently is trading between this green line, that is 161 rand and 11 cents, and the top side here on 16,684 rand. The last week came to this low high, had a bit of a sell-off, testing this green line on the Bollinger Band. It's confirming on the Fibonacci the support of 16,100 that level there. So we need to see if this is going to be a breakdown, touch, or a little break up again on the specific trade. Let's keep a close eye on this one. Another share is called Willis. Now Willis is currently trading a bit sideways here, and you can see this low is 81.22 and the high is 83.67. Still a big support here at 81.22 in the short term. The share is still positive between the green and the red line. Truworths. Now Truworths is currently trading to a sideways pattern in this downwards channel here. Still trading close to the green Bollinger Band level as well. Mr. Price. Mr. Price is doing well. Trading between the green and the red line on the Bollinger Band, still upwards. Did lose a lot of momentum. Had a high of 206 rand 19. Starting to come down, but still in a positive channel here as well. Let's go to the banking sectors. Shares Barclays Bank closed at 167 rand 50. Currently still trading between the green and the red Bollinger Bands at this moment, still in a positive channel. Currently looking at this, here's your leg, there's your shoulder, there's your head. This could be a pattern starting to form if 167 and 62 has been broken. Currently trading at 167.50, but it needs to break this Bollinger Band as well on the green line if you want to see more downward side. Looking at the indicators, starting to fall down here. RSI starting to fall down, going low to the average, so it could go and test this green line on the Bollinger Band here. Stochastics also losing a lot of momentum at this moment, so we need to see if there's going to be a bit of downside here. Standard Bank. Now Standard Bank still trading the sideways pattern. Nothing interesting happening here at this moment. MTN, as you can see, downward cycle, trading between the two blue lines here. Low level 221, high level 225. Came over down here, trading at a level of 222, 2040. Need to track closely as well. Vodacom doing the same, trading between the level of 124.64 and the high is 127.38. Barloworld. Now Barloworld for the last 2 months trading sideways. No real impact there. Imperial. Now looking at Imperial here, downward cycle, upward cycle, tested a high here, This red line here is a big support of 196.66. Currently trading at 198. Yesterday it opened with a big gap down to the level of 197 range and started to recover back to the 198 level. We need to see if this is going to play out on the leg, shoulder, head pattern, and if this pattern is going to occur, if at any time breaks this 196 rand level, then you can actually go and see the share going back to the 189 level in the short term. Indicators showing a downward cycle here, stochastics starting to turn, RSI also starting to turn here. Discovery. Now looking at Discovery, now share broke the green line, still trading the sideways pattern here. Big support here at 95. If it needs to break something downwards, it needs to break 93.57. If it breaks it downwards, we can go back to under the 90 range. Currently trading at 94 rand. Enjoy your trading.